What's up, everybody? Big Herc 916, and you're tuned into another edition of my vlog. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of this good stuff I'll be putting up. And I'm doing a giveaway here real soon when I hit 10,000 subscribers. Make sure you share the channel and let your friends know about it. It's all about positivity and motivation. I'm rolling in my NSX right now, my 1994 NSX. Had AutoWave go through the complete car and clean up all the bullshit that had been done to the car previously. I had the car running, but when I got it down there, I come to find out that the car was only running off of 5 cylinders. And it's a V6, so I was only running off of 5 cylinders. There was bolts loose. There were things that were half-ass put together, screws forced in the holes that shouldn't have been. And it was just a lot of stuff that need to be addressed. The tie rod ends were loose. Hoses were old. Just a lot of little shit, man. And AutoWave down in Huntington Beach really did a good job going through the complete car and making sure everything was tight. My motor, I put a lot of money into it. And when you're dealing with these NSX motors, man, you don't want to put bullshit parts on it, or you don't want to, have somebody put the wrong screws. So you want to make sure you use all, OEM Honda Acura parts, So I made sure all that shit was right. They went through, took the motor apart, made sure that everything was how it's supposed to be. Had the fuel injectors cleaned. They checked out the machine work on my sleeve. I had the motor sleeved, dart sleeve by Q&P, and had some head work done. Got a cam in here that's been machined. Got headers, exhaust. Did coilovers, XZD triple disc clutch. What else? Had the transmission redone, rebuilt brand new. Yeah, man, everything has been gone through this car. I spent a pretty penny. It's basically a new 1994 Acura NSX, and it drives like a dream now, man. The car hums. I got 18-inch by 8.5 in the wheels in the front, 19-inch by 9.5 in the rear, so it sits really really tight. Got a nice stance to it. I'm taking it to paint tomorrow, so it will be in the paint, and it's gonna come out with a sick ass color. I'm gonna keep it a surprise, so when I shoot the next video you guys can see the color, but it's gonna be really hot, and I haven't seen an NSX in this color. Even if there might be one out there, but I haven't seen it. And I'll pretty much be done with the car, man. The only other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eventually supercharge the car. And once I got a couple other cars I'm working on, so once I get all my other cars tight, I'm gonna come back to this car and get the supercharger put on it, and go with some Stop Tech brakes, and I'll be good to go, man. It'd be my supercar, man. It'd be right up there with everything else on the road. It already handles, it already has everything else you need in a car, as far as performance. But I think the NSX has always been underpowered, and I think once you add some power to these cars, man, nothing over the top, but something that's roadworthy, you got a great car. So I'm really looking forward to getting it painted, because right now this red paint is pretty beat up. I had the car sitting around for damn near 3.5 years, dealing with a lot of bullshit, man, and I'm just happy to have it back on the road, and I'm looking forward to giving her a new look, and enjoy taking them to some car shows. So it's all coming together. Just took a little time, But this has always been one of my favorite cars to drive out of all my cars. You know, I got a Chevelle, 68 Cougar, 82 Porsche 928, and you know, all kind of eclectic cars, different cars, all custom. But this one's always been one of my favorites, man. It feels like I'm in a video game when I'm driving this car, because just the way it accelerates, the way it handles, how low it sits, it's just a lot of fun, man. So I really enjoy driving this car. And out here in LA traffic, you know, you just got to get used to the clutch. But hey, you know, ain't no biggie. The clutch ain't that bad. It's hydraulic, so it's a lot of fun to drive. But you guys, yeah, I'll definitely keep you updated. I'll be putting up more car videos for you guys to check out. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. If you got an NSX, I would love to hear what you're doing to your car, and get your opinion. You know, these cars are, you know, classics now, and I don't plan on selling mine. You know, I basically went through and did everything to this car, so it would be stupid for me to get rid of it at this point, because you know, I got everything documented. So I'm gonna hold on to it, get some fun out of it, and hopefully see you guys at the next car show. So make sure you subscribe. Look forward to hearing from you. Leave a comment. Big Herc 916.